Before Jobber, 4 years ago, we had about 5 to 6 employees. Now we have 27 people using Jobber daily. My name is Misael Avalos. I own Time Maid Cleaning. The biggest challenge of running a cleaning business is training your employees to be effective and to provide the same standard of service with every client. Before Jobber, we were using multiple applications to be able to communicate. It was affecting our employees by not understanding clearly what the job was about. We didn't have all of the notes, everything that was part of the job in one place. They had to either receive a text message or get in a different dashboard to be able to find the client's information. It just created more work for them to be able to really do their job as efficient as we wanted them to do. How our teams have performed after Jobber has been, 1,000% better because they just go to one place to do their job. What changed with our customers is that they got to text our office directly if they had any questions. It was easy for them to reschedule cleanings, to add additional services. They got to pay their invoices through there. They got to see their future cleanings through their client hub. Adding a full client experience was amazing for us because we got to connect with our clients like no other cleaning company in our city is connecting with. One thing that I couldn't live without is the reports. Being able to have that accurate information just gives me that confidence of a business owner. I had less concerns that my business wasn't being as effective as I wanted it to be. To know exactly how your business is functioning is gold. Jobber payments is super dope because the clients can just pay the invoice and leave a tip. We use Jobber payments for every transaction. Again, it goes with the reports. You see the reports, you see your numbers, you see how many leads you got, you see how many clients you got, you see who's your highest paying client. So yeah, we receive Jobber payments for sure. It'd be stupid if we didn't.